In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. We'll use the classic version of Outlook to keep your mailbox tidy, improve performance, and reduce clutter without losing important messages. Start by opening Classic Outlook. To reach the auto-archive controls, go to the File menu, choose Options, and then select Advanced. In the Advanced section, look for Auto Archive and click Auto Archive Settings. This opens the main dialog that controls how often Outlook runs the cleanup and what it does with older items. Turn Auto Archive on by checking Run Auto Archive Every, then choose how frequently you want it to run. A range of 14 to 30 days works well for most people because it keeps your mailbox under control without being disruptive. Next, set the age of items to clean up using the Clean Out Items Older Than field. For example, 6 months is a common choice. Anything older than that will be processed according to the action you select, either move to an archive file or deleted. Choose where to store the archive. By default, Outlook uses a PST file on your computer. You can keep that or browse to a different location. Pick a place with enough disk space that you can back up, and keep the name clear so you recognize it later. If you'd like a heads up before anything runs, enable the prompt option so Outlook lets you confirm the cleanup each time. Click OK to save these global settings. They'll apply to all folders unless you decide to override them on a folder-by-folder basis. If you want more control, customize individual folders. Right-click a folder, such as your inbox, choose Properties, and open the Auto Archive tab. Here you can set a different clean-out interval just for that folder. You can also choose Move Old Items to Endpoint to a specific PST if you'd like a separate archive for this folder, or select Permanently Delete Items if you're sure you don't need them. As a best practice, use permanent deletion sparingly. Moving to an archive gives you a safety net. Click Apply, then OK. Repeat this for any subfolders where you want unique rules so your most important areas get exactly the treatment you expect. Once configured, Outlook will handle the routine archiving automatically. You can review or change these settings anytime, and your archived mail remains available in the archive data file, ready to search or browse when needed. Thanks for watching.